How to prepare sweet and sour pork. Marinade pork preparation 1. Mix pork with marinade. Marinade 18 to 24 hours. 2. Preheat oven to 80 C 175 FN. Place rack on tray to keep pork warm. 3. Place all sauce ingredients except water in a large jug or small bowl. Mix until combined, then mix in water. 4. Have all ingredients lined up, ready to toss in. After fry number 2, things move quickly. Double dredge preparation for coating number 1. 1. Mix 5 tablespoons corn flour into the pork and leave for 5 minutes. 2. At first, it will be white from the corn flour, but after a while it will sweat and make the corn flour muscle partially wet and will be sticky. This is key for coating to stick. For coating number 2. 1. Spread 1/2 cup corn flour in a shallow bowl. Coat pork, shaking off excess, and pile onto a plate. 2. Reserve corn flour in case you need to dust again just prior to frying. Pork should be at least half white when you put it into the oil. If not, just sprinkle with reserved corn flour. Fried crispy pork preparation 1. Pour enough oil into a large saucepan or small pot so it's 2.5 cm 1 deep. 2. Heat to 180 C 350 F or until pork immediately starts sizzling when you dip it in. 3. Fry number 1. Cook pork in batches, being sure not to crowd the pot, for 3 minutes until golden. 4. Drain on rack. This step is just to cook the pork. It takes me for batches. 5. Fry number 2. Turn the stove up slightly and heat oil to 200 C 390 F. 6. Starting with the coolest pork, add half the pork. You can crowd the pot and cook for 1.5 minutes, or until pork is deep golden brown and crispy. 7. Transfer to rack. Repeat with remaining pork by 2 batches. 8. Keep warm in oven. Sauce and stir for preparation 1. Heat oil in a very large skillet over high heat. 2. Add garlic, ginger and onion. Stir for 1.5 minutes. 3. Add capsicum and stir for 2 minutes. 4. Add sauce and pineapple, then let it come to a rapid simmer. 5. Simmer for 2 minutes until it thickens. When you drag the spoon across the base, a path should briefly appear. 6. Add pork, then quickly toss to coat. Aim for 10 seconds. 7. Serve ASAP. Pour onto serving plate. Serve immediately. This will stay crispy for around 5 minutes, then start softening but still has a solid coating. This is just the reality of sweet and sour pork, even at restaurants. 8. Enjoy the homemade sweet and sour pork.